Before we get started delving into the tools that Facebook gives us, we're actually going to need to have a Facebook personal profile. This is your basic login account, which allows you to access Facebook as an individual, which then allows you to build Facebook pages, to set up Facebook groups, and ultimately to run advertisements on Facebook. So before you can do any of these things, you are going to need to have a personal profile. A lot of you already will have a personal profile, in which case you can skip this entirely. If you do not, all you need to do is come to facebook.com up here, and if you're not logged in already, it's going to create an account. Screen pops up here, and you'll need to put in your first name, your surname, an email address, confirmation of that email address, and a telephone number, and then hit this sign up button at the bottom. Very simple stuff and nice and easy. A lot of you, if you do not have a Facebook profile, it might be because you're concerned about privacy. Personal privacy has been a big issue for Facebook recently, and many people have either deleted their accounts or have not signed up for accounts recently. What you can do if this is a concern for you is go ahead and use your name, surname, all your details as usual. But when you create the account, you can just lock it off using privacy settings within Facebook so that it's only visible to you. So therefore you have a personal profile, but it's not public at all, it's private, which means most privacy concerns are therefore reduced. You can't be targeted for advertising, nothing about you is released by Facebook, and the only information they have about you is your name and your email address. So that's a way to mitigate the privacy concerns you might have. We are going to be using Facebook to set up a page, to set up a group, and to set up advertising later. There are other social media networks available, but Facebook is the largest, it's the most accessible in terms of advertising. So for this system to work, you are going to need to have access to Facebook. And for that to happen, you will need access via a personal Facebook profile.